Okay, so I tap that right there, click that right there, upload that photo. Bingo, I just got paid. Wow, this is super easy. I gotta tell somebody.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $5 to $25 just by uploading photos. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, speaking of likes, guys, help me get to 25 likes. Because if I get to 25 likes or more, that's going to help this video be on the recommended section of YouTube. And what that means, that's going to be more people will be able to see the video. And when I get more potential viewers, I'm going to get more potential subscribers, because I'm trying to make it to 500 subscribers. And once I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward some people some free money. So help a brother out and hit that like button for me. Also, please check in the description below. I got a lot of free goodies for you guys to download, check out right now. Please watch this video to the very end so you know every step you need to take to make $5 to $25 uploading photo. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn $5 to $25 just by uploading photos. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this site called remove.bg. And what this site does is remove backgrounds. So this is the tool you're going to be using to remove backgrounds on images. And you're going to use this tool to make $5 to $25 for just uploading photos. So let me show you how it works here. It says here 100% automatically in 5 seconds without a single click. And let me show you how easy this is. So you're going to click right here where it says select a photo. So let me go ahead and select the photo here. Okay, now I got this photo right here. You see it has the background woman standing there, and right here image without background. And all you have to do is just click right here where it says download, and voila, there it is, no background and just her just standing there. So that's how that works. And all you have to do is just go to remove.bg. You don't have to sign up for anything or anything like that. You just go to that site, upload your select photo, upload your image, click a button, and voila, there it is. Because once you go to that, once you click on select photo and select the photo, it's going to show the photo, and then it's going to show the photo without, the image without the background. So now you're probably wondering how you're going to make $5 to $25 just with this tool. Let me go to the next step and I'll show you what you're going to be doing and how you're going to make this $5 to $25. Okay, now here's the next step you're going to take to start making that money using that tool. So I'm at this website called peopleperhour.com. So it's a freelance website. So this is where you're going to attract customers and provide a service, which is remove backgrounds for their pictures. So it says here, live your work dream. Our community of expert freelancers gives you the power to find the right person of any project in minutes. So you're going to use this website and you're going to charge anywhere from $5 to up to $25. Now, here you can charge like the average is like $15. So you can charge that amount here. See, as it says down here, say discover fixed price offers. People per hour gives you a unique way to discover services to grow your business. Explore fixed price offers from as little as $10, giving you the freedom to test ideas cost effectively. Once you're happy with the results, request a follow-on project. So you can charge people $10 to just remove background on a photo. All right, now let me go to this other website, which is very popular. I've talked about it in several of my videos before. Let me go ahead and go to that one. Okay, I'm at fiverr.com. I've talked about this before. So you can open up an account here and charge as little as $5 to remove image backgrounds. So let me just pull up one right now, and you can see the ongoing rate. You probably can charge more than that. So right here, there's Photoshop editing, remove background, face swap. They charge $5. Do remove background or cutout, 120 images, super fast. So they're probably using that tool, and they charging $5. Here's one charging $10. Most of them are charging $5. So here you're going to have to probably charge $5. You have a lot of competition. But on the other site, people per hour, you can charge $10 on that. So this is the method you're going to be using to make that $5 to $25 an hour. I'm sorry, $5 to $25 uploading photos. All right. So that's the method. Okay, now you know the method you need to use right now to earn $5 to $25 just by uploading photos. So go ahead and use that tool to remove backgrounds, and then use that website to attract customers and start making this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. Please again, smash that like button and let's get to 25 likes, because once I get to 25 likes, that means I'm going to attract more people to this video. And once I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with this free money I got to give. Also, please leave a comment down below if you have a question, because what I'm going to do is randomly pick a comment and reward the person, matter of fact, 2 people with free money, whatever comments I choose. So be creative with your comment, and if you have a question about this video, leave that down in the comment section. Also, please share this video on social media everywhere. And most importantly, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, that's it. I'm done. I'm finished. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. But before I go, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next one. Deuces.
This is App Grind TV.